A political controversy erupted after President Draupadi Murmu expressed disappointment with the West Bengal government over arrangements at the International Santal Conference in Darjeeling. The president was attending the event on March 7, 2026. The event venue was reportedly changed by the state government from Bidhannagar in Darjeeling district to Gosainpur in the Bagdogra area near Siliguri. After attending the program in Gosainpur, President Murmu travelled about 30 kilometers to Bidhannagar, where she addressed a gathering. During her speech, the president said she was saddened that many Santal community members could not attend the conference because it was held far away. She also questioned why the venue was shifted, saying a large crowd could have gathered at the original location. President Murmu also noted that no ministers from the West Bengal government were present to receive her at the event.
पता नहीं प्रशासन का मन में क्या हुआ, मुझे पता है। हम तो आसानी से यहाँ आए, उन्होंने बोले नहीं वहाँ जगह कंजेस्टेड है। मैंने देखा यहाँ तो मुझे लगता है 5 लाख लोग यहाँ इकट्ठे हो सकते, लेकिन पता नहीं वहाँ किस लिए हमको ले गए। यहाँ के भाइयों बहनों ज़्यादा नहीं जा पाए, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि उनके पास जाएं, वहाँ देखें वो कैसे रहते हैं। राजस्थान तो बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन जगह दिलवाने का कोई नहीं। यहाँ तो इतने पर्याप्त है, तो मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं भी बंगाल का ही बेटी हूँ। बंगाल में बहुत क्यों आने ही नहीं देते। ममता दीदी मेरे बहन भी है, छोटे बहन है, पता नहीं मुझे कोई गुस्सा किए होंगे, इसीलिए वहाँ जाके प्रोग्राम करा। कोई बात नहीं, कोई गिला नहीं, कोई शिकवा नहीं, लेकिन वो भी आवाज रहे, आप लोग ठीक रहे। थैंक यू।
Her remarks triggered strong reactions from several national leaders. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan criticized the situation, saying the office of the president deserves the highest dignity, protocol, and respect. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also reacted strongly, calling the development shameful and unprecedented. In a post on social media, he said the West Bengal government had crossed all limits and was responsible for insulting the president. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also criticized the state government, calling the incident a serious disregard for constitutional protocol. Responding to the controversy, Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee said she was not aware of the event in Darjeeling. She said she did not know who organized the program, who attended it, or who funded it. She also said she had been in Kolkata for the past 2 days, staging a sit-in protest over the deletion of voters' names in the SIR process.
আপনি বলেন কি করে যে আদিবাসীদের জন্য এখানে কোনো কাজ হয়নি? সাঁওতালিরা জোট বাঁধো, আপনি জানেন না? সাঁওতালি যেমন আছে, ট্রাইবেলদের মধ্যে লোধাও আছে, সবরও আছে, মুন্ডাও আছে, অনেক আছে। তপশিলীদের মধ্যে যেমন অনেক আছে। ওই মণিপুরে যখন ট্রাইবেলদের উপর অত্যাচার হচ্ছিল, তখন আপনি চুপ করেছিলেন কেন? তখন কি বিজেপি আপনাকে বারণ করেছিল? যখন রাজস্থানে आदिवासीদের উপর অত্যাচার হয় ट्राइबल के ऊपर, तब आप कहाँ थे? क्यों आप प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करते? क्यों उसको नहीं डांटते? जब महाराष्ट्र पे ट्राइबल के ऊपर अत्याचार होता है, आप क्यों प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करते? जब मध्य प्रदेश में होता है, आप क्यों नहीं करते? जब छत्तीसगढ़ में होता है, आप क्यों नहीं करते?
Later, the chief minister said on social media that there was no breach of protocol by the state administration. Banerjee also said she was not listed in the official lineup for the program and accused the BJP of trying to use the issue for political purposes. According to Banerjee, district authorities had earlier informed the president's secretariat that the organizers might not be fully prepared to host the event.
This is a message for our Honorable Rashtrapati Ji, our dear President Draupadi Murmu Ji. Madam President, you came to Bengal today and unfortunately you chose to parrot on the eve of an election the words of the BJP. When you read out the President's address in Parliament during the joint session, you have to read out what the BJP government writes for you. We understand that, and because we respect you, we listen to it. But today, you came to Bengal not for a program that was organized by the state government. You came for a private program organized by a private organization. The West Bengal government was not responsible for the arrangement of this program. In spite of that, the West Bengal government did a security briefing with your office 3 days ago, and the district magistrate and the police made it amply clear that the site and the arrangements were not in accordance with the presidential visit. In spite of that, your office and you deemed it fit to come to Bengal. And then today, you find that the arrangements were not up to your standard, even though the West Bengal government accorded you every protocol that was necessary. We didn't invite you for this program, and we were not responsible for the arrangements. Yet, after this program, you chose to stand on the soil of Bengal and to make completely unfounded, untrue allegations about Bengal and about how the Adivasis and tribals live in Bengal.